we're going to do something a little different than working on the Celica, okay? All right. Right now we are in my wife's 2008 Honda Accord V6. It's got so much torque. It's like a second-gen Cummins with compound turbos, basically. It's constantly breaking axles. But that's actually not what we're working on today. Listen to this. Oh no, I lost the key. This thing has, I don't even know how many miles. Almost 320,000 miles. And it has the original power steering pump on it. It does not sound good. So we're going to change that out today. We're going to do a how-to. I've never done this before. It can't be that bad. So let's just do a step-by-step how-to. All right. Now maybe this is common sense, but I'm lacking. And I always think the first step to do when doing this kind of thing is to look at the part that you purchased, look at its mounting positions, look at its hose end locations, and make sure it matches the one you're about to take off before you start tearing into this thing. Because it really sucks when you start tearing something apart and then you get it to the point where you're about to install the new part and then it doesn't fit. That's not fun. Okay, so I have verified that this is the right part. Moving on. Step 2. We need to figure out what tools we need. I'm pretty sure we need a 12mm ratchet or wrench and a 14mm wrench. 14, and my 12 is missing. If I was to guess, it's probably in this thing. Oh hey, there it is. I think this is all we're going to need, but let's find out. Oh yeah. And the 10 millimeters for the pressure side of the pump, and maybe some vice grips or something to get this clamp off. Let's go grab this. Just for fun. Damn, I'm missing that one too. Jeez. Anyway. Oh, I'm missing all the ones that I need. Where the hell did I put them? They're in here. I believe these are all the tools we're going to need. 14mm, 12mm, 10mm, 12, 14, pliers, and a bungee cord. This bungee cord's a little bit longer than what I would like, but you'll see what we're about to use that for. This is my first time, so I'm probably going to stumble a bunch on this, but we're going to start off by taking the belt off. And that's where the bungee cord comes in handy. So the tensioner is down here. And the hope was that I pulled it toward myself, but that's not the case. Pull it away. Nailed it. Okay. This is where I was going to use the bungee cord, but it's kind of holding its shape and staying out of the way. But, yeah, we'll just make sure that doesn't fall off while we're working. Next step, let's get this pump feed off. I did not drain the power steering fluid out of this, so there's odds that are that it will leak everywhere, like it is. Luckily, it was already low. I'll use this bungee cord for this then. Perfect. Don't frickin' move. Can you see? Cool. All right, we'll take the feet off. Go away, bee. All right, everything's going smooth so far. There's only one thing that I'm really worried about. I'm not going to say it out loud. We'll wait for that time. I'll be right back. I need some towels. Perfect. All right, this is the part that I'm worried about, is these mounting bolts. I hope they come out smoothly. This is where the 12 millimeters come in handy. I don't know if we're going to use the ratchet or if we're going to use this wrench. Oh. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we've been needing to do this for probably 2 years. And it's not like it's a hard thing to do. I say that. It's just I did not make time to do it. But Mandy's about to go on a trip and she would like me to take care of it for her finally. And that's what we're doing. Good shape, good shape. Last mounting bolt. That one's gonna need the ratchet with the 12mm on it. No, it is not. It's a little tight there with the engine mount. Oh, perfect. I was really worried that these bolts were going to be, because they've been undisturbed for so long. Sometimes, you get some oxidation or corrosion on the bolts, and then they don't want to come out and or they break, which I haven't got this one out yet, so I shouldn't say anything. This bolt came out so nice. I'm glad I could do that with my fingers. All right, let's go dump this oil somewhere. Like my old rain. Perfect. The pump is now off, and I'm dropping my tools everywhere. Same. This kit specifically came with a O-ring to replace on this pressure side, so we should probably go ahead and swap that out. Old, new. Make sure you get some lubrication on that guy. All right, it is pump time. We're gonna get that bolt started. Whoa. Get this bolt started. There's a spider over me. I can see its shadow. Are you on my head? Not yet. Am I even recording? Yeah. I do not know the torque spec for these, but if I was to guess, it's somewhere in the just don't let it fall off sort of tightness. Like that. Click, click on that one. Click, click. Perfect. Torque to spec. Plug out. O-ring is lubed. Try to push it in straight. Oh, went in nice. It's always bad when you kink it while you're going in and you break the O-ring. That's never fun. Not what we need. It's 10mm. 10mm for these two bolts. All right, these 10mm bolts, I don't know the torque spec. I'm going to assume it's somewhere in the 12 to 18 foot-pound range. So that's something like click and click. Perfect. Nailed it. All right. Pump is tight. We got that figured out. Pressure's tight. That's good. Now the kit did come with a worm clamp for this, but I'm just going to reuse the spring clamp because why not? lost my pliers. Feed hose is on and installed. Cool. Last piece is the belt. I'm going to try to be careful not to knock it off the crank like I just did. Damn it, that's going to add some time. That's what I didn't want to happen. Nailed it. Uh-oh. All right, it fell off the AC pump as well. I can't reach my hand down in there. It's too fat. Got it. All right, cool. I think what I'm going to do is, no, I'm just going to use the 14 millimeter wrench and pry on it, if I can find it. Here it is. Okay, easy as that. Ah! Bugs. I'm okay with spiders, but I'm not really okay with stinging insects, like bees and wasps and such. All right, the hard part's done. Now we just get to fill it with fluids and bleed it. We have our quality Napa power steering fluid. The key is to overfill it and spill it everywhere, specifically all over the belt, so that it squeals when it starts up. I have a feeling that's what's going to happen, to be honest with you, because I spilled a bunch of fluid on it. Okay. We're going to have to do this a couple times because we have to bleed it into the system, basically. Where's the cap? There it is. I'm just going to loosely set that there for now. All right, let's start her up. Is the camera going to fall when I do this? Maybe. We'll find out. It'll be all right. To the left, to the right, to the left. Wow, this thing actually has power steering. To the right, to the left, to the right. All right, let's go check our fluid level. Looks like it's tracking straight. That's cool. We lost a little bit of fluid. Let's top her off. Be careful not to get your fingers sucked in the belt. Let's go do some more bleeding. Man, I made a mess. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Wow, it feels amazing to have power steering in this car. It's been literally probably 20,000 miles, if not more. No, yeah, Mandy got this thing with like 295,000 miles on it. And it's now at 318. I think we're probably done bleeding it. Let's put it back straight. Is that straight? Perfect. Check the fluid level one more time. Perfect. We did it, guys. We did it. Successful job. I hope this how-to was helpful for somebody or anybody or nobody. That's okay as well. But yeah, there we go. Have it. Yeah, there we have it. Power steering replacement on a 2008 Honda Accord with the V6. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.